Hey guys, Danny here. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are looking at a pair of earbuds, and a little bit unusual, these weren't actually sent to me for review as most of my videos. I actually bought these with my own money as I misplaced my previous pair and well, I needed another pair, so I thought I would test out some budget earbuds. I would call these budget for the price they're coming in. I picked these up for £19 on Amazon. Also, the B-roll in the background, sorry about destroying the box. I was pretty eager to open it up, and the sticker kind of ripped the side of it, and then I kind of went a bit barbaric and opened it up. Anyway, so we're going to be checking these out. They're using Bluetooth 5.3. They come in a pretty compact design. You get a USB-C charging cable too. And also, they claim to have crystal clear audio for calls, so we'll be testing that too. I very much doubt that at this price point. They also claim to have 9 hours of playback per charge with an additional 28 from the case, and with 10 minutes of charging you get 2 hours of playback, so pretty standard, nothing too crazy. There are some good numbers. Now, I used to review Anker's Soundcore range all the time. I've tested a ton of their products and I've always liked them. This is why I decided to pick these up with my own money, because they also come with app support, which is something I really want. I decided to buy a cheaper pair as I'm constantly misplacing earbuds, running them through the washing machine because I forget to take them out of the pocket in my trousers, my gym trousers. So I decided to go with a slightly cheaper pair and see what the experience was like and share it with you guys. I really like the stealthy overall design of the black color of these. The little glossy logo in comparison with the matte black background is really nice. Soundcore do this a lot on their products and I'm a big fan of it. My first impressions is the product does feel very lightweight. It does feel, I would say, a little bit cheap feeling, but right around what you'd expect for the price point. So I wasn't really impressed or surprised. I was very happy with them for the price I paid, put it that way. One of the main reasons I've always liked Soundcore's products is because of their brilliant app support. Even on their budget end products like these ones, they come with app support, which you just don't always find on other brands and earbud products. So you have a whole bunch of EQs you can go through here, and I actually tried these in real time. They will change in real time. They won't pause or delay the music. You'll hear the music change as you're changing these settings, so you can really play around with them and see what you like. But this has always been my favorite feature, being able to customize what the button presses do for the left or right earbud. I really hated when I then would switch to another product and I couldn't change it to what I wanted or what I was used to. So this has to be one of my favorite features, and I'm really happy that even in a, on the cheaper end of their product lineup, I get the same features, so can't go wrong there. There is a find device feature as well, which will play a very loud beeping sound through your earbuds for you to find them. Make sure you don't do this while you have them in. It does give you a warning, but don't test this while you're wearing them because it's really loud. It may damage your ears. You can even get firmware updates for this product, and you can disable things like the touch tone. And there's even a gaming mode, which I didn't test in this review as I don't really do any mobile gaming. One of the main things I use earbuds for is when I'm working out, so when I'm running like I am here and I'm wearing the product, or when I'm at the gym. I did swap out the ear tips that these came with to the bigger ones, and the fit was just about right, maybe slightly too small, but they were still fine. They didn't fall out of my ears and felt very comfortable when running. They didn't fall out when I was skipping at the gym either, so the fit was really nice. When it comes to sound quality, if you're an audiophile, these definitely aren't for you, and you can hear that they are on the lower end of the market. But for most of you, if you just want something to keep you occupied while you're working out in the gym or you're on a run, these are perfectly fine. They have a decent bass level and decent quality level. If you're sitting at home, they're still fine too. I'm not saying these are bad by any means, but if you want a really good pair and you really want to feel like you're getting really good audio quality, these are probably a bit too on the lower end for you. But for an everyday user, these are great and good value for money. In this part of the video, I have hooked up the earbuds to my computer via Bluetooth, and I'll be testing the microphone quality. I'll also note that I'm getting some hissing coming through the headset while I'm wearing them. I don't know if this is because I'm using a slightly cheaper Bluetooth dongle that I plugged into my PC, but if anyone else has this issue, please let me know. So with no issues with this product, no connectivity issues, good battery life, quick charging, USB-C connection. I have no problems recommending them to you as long as you obviously understand these are on the lower end of the market, and for the price I do think they are very good. They are not for audiophiles in my opinion. If you want a really high quality sounding pair of earbuds, you're going to need to spend a bit more money, but for the average user I think these are great value for money, and if you'd like to buy them I'll put a link down below for you. As always, if you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and of course I will see you in the next one.